Into the unknown.
Into the unknown.
Into the unknown.
I can hear you, but I won't. Some look for trouble, while others don't.
There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away.
You're not a voice, you're just a ringing in my ear.
And if I heard you, which I don't, unspoken for, I fear.
Everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls.
I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls.
I've had my adventure.
Don't need something new. I am afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you
Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
into the unknown.
What do you want? 'Cause you've been keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me so I make a big mistake?
Or are you someone out there who's a little bit like me, who knows deep down I'm not where I'm meant to be?
Every day's a little harder as I feel your power grow.
Don't you know there's part of me that longs to go?